Born on the 1st of May, 1990, in the rural village of Tshiombo near Thohoyandou in Limpopo, Eric Tower Mathoho grew up in a place where football wasn't just a game, it was a way of life. From a young age, he played barefoot in maize fields, using balls crafted from onion bags. The soil was rough and unforgiving. It wasn't unusual for young Eric to bruise his feet or even tear his toenails while kicking the hard ground. But none of that mattered. What mattered was the game. His passion was bigger than the pain. Long before stadium lights and national anthems, Eric was already building himself from the ground up. His journey into professional football began with Dolphins FC, a Limpopo-based team where his talent began to stand out. In July 2009, his breakthrough came when he attended trials at Bloemfontein Celtic alongside two other hopefuls. Under the watchful eye of coach Owen de Gama, Mathoho earned a place in the team. On the 3rd of February 2010, he made his Premier Soccer League debut in a match against Mamelodi Sundowns, which ended in a goalless draw. Eric's performance was so commanding that he walked away as man of the match on his very first appearance. Mathoho didn't take long to make an impression. On 27th February 2011, he scored his first professional goal during a 5-0 demolition of SuperSport United. His powerful presence at the back, combined with his growing confidence on the ball, began to attract international attention. European clubs came calling, he was linked with Maccabi Haifa, and later he traveled to the Netherlands to trial with FC Twente, who were lining him up as a replacement for their departing defender Douglas, who had been courted by Juventus and Bayern Munich. Unfortunately, despite a promising trial, the move to Twente fell through. Due to strict financial laws in the Netherlands, foreign players were required to earn a high minimum salary to be signed, an attempt to ensure only top-tier talent entered the league. The deal, reportedly worth around €1 million, collapsed under that regulation. Back home, Mathoho remained focused. In June 2012, he finally joined Kaizer Chiefs, having been linked to the club since January of that year. There was also interest from Orlando Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns, but it was Amakosi who secured his signature. He was officially unveiled on the 1st of July 2012. His debut for Chiefs came on the 5th of August 2012. A tough start as the team lost 4-1 to Mamelodi Sundowns and were already 4-0 down by the 36th minute. Despite the rocky beginning, Mathoho's quality would soon shine through. Tragedy struck early in his Chiefs journey when he suffered a shoulder dislocation on the 13th of September 2012 in a match against Maritzburg United, but in true Mathoho fashion, he fought back. On the 3rd of April 2013, he scored his first goal in Chiefs colors, again against Maritzburg United, this time helping his side to a 1-1 draw. That 2012-13 season turned into a historic one for Eric and Kaizer Chiefs. They clinched the Premier Soccer League title and lifted the Nedbank Cup, sealing a domestic double in his first season with the club. His rise continued. On 1st March 2014, Mathoho made his CAF Champions League debut and scored in a dominant 4-0 win against Liga Mukumana at Moses Mapida Stadium, a performance that coincided with his 24th birthday. It was a sign of things to come. At the start of the 2014-15 season, he was a key part of a Chiefs team that went 19 games unbeaten. During that run, they lifted the MTN 8 trophy without conceding a single goal. Eric Mathoho had become one of the most reliable and respected defenders in the country. Mathoho's towering performances didn't go unnoticed on the international stage either. He made his debut for the South African national team, Bafana Bafana, on 14th May 2011 in a friendly against Tanzania. His consistent displays earned him a regular place in the national setup. Most notably, during the AFCON 2015 qualifying campaign, he played every minute under coach Ephraim Shakes Mashaba, helping South Africa qualify for the tournament for the first time since 2008. Throughout his career, Eric Tower Mathoho has stood tall, not just literally, but symbolically. At 190 meters, he commands the air with authority, particularly during set pieces, where his aerial threat has become a hallmark. But he is more than just a defender. Mathoho possesses the ability to transition from defense to attack, often surging forward when needed to bolster the numbers up front. From bruised feet in maize fields to packed stadiums and continental tournaments, Eric Mathoho's story is one of persistence, discipline, and heart. He remains an inspiration not only to the youth of Limpopo, but to all South Africans who dare to dream. Tower's legacy is not just built on goals or clean sheets, it's built on the belief that even the humblest beginnings can rise to towering heights.